In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type Hindi in PowerPoint on a laptop using Windows 10. Whether you're preparing a presentation for personal use or to share with colleagues, being able to type in Hindi can add a cultural depth and reach a broader audience who speak this beautiful language. Today we will go through a simple process that allows you to translate your English content into Hindi directly within PowerPoint. So let's get started. First up, open PowerPoint on your computer. You'll want to ensure that you have your presentation file accessible. If it's not already open, take a moment to locate your document so we can seamlessly incorporate the Hindi text into it. Once you've opened your PowerPoint presentation, navigate to the PowerPoint interface. We're going to be utilizing the built-in tools available within the software itself, so no additional downloads are necessary. This makes it hassle-free and straightforward. Next, direct your attention to the top part of the screen where you'll see various tabs with different tools and options like Home, Insert, and so on. Here, we're interested in the Review tab. Click on it to open a new set of features specifically designed for reviewing your presentation, including the translation tools we need. Within the Review tab, you'll notice an option called Translate. Click on Translate to open the translation options. PowerPoint provides this handy feature which allows you to convert text in real time without leaving the application. It's a great way to switch languages when you're working with international content or want to cater to diverse audiences. Now, after clicking on Translate, you'll be presented with translation options. You'll see a dialog box that asks you to choose the initial and the target language. In this case, select English as your source language, the content you have, and Hindi as the target language, which is where you'd like the content to be translated. It's pretty convenient because it supports various languages and Hindi is one of them. With your language set, you can now start typing your content into the translation box. As you type in English, PowerPoint's translation engine will work its magic, dynamically providing you with the Hindi translation. You can then directly paste this translated text into your PowerPoint slides. This method ensures that your Hindi text is accurate as per your original English content to maintain the intended message. And there you have it. Following these steps will enable you to type in Hindi in your PowerPoint presentations. It's a simple yet effective way to create bilingual presentations or cater to Hindi-speaking audiences. This integration within PowerPoint eliminates the need for outside applications, streamlining your workflow. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.